Did you know that one chef's discovery in an assisted living kitchen saved hundreds of elderly lives from a deadly theft ring? Maria Santos had worked at Sunset Manor for 3 years, preparing meals for 90 elderly residents. Every morning at 6, she arrived to find medication cups neatly arranged on meal trays. But in March 2019, she noticed something strange. Several residents were shaking uncontrollably during breakfast. Mrs. Chen, a diabetic, collapsed in the dining room. Mr. Rodriguez had a heart episode. Maria checked the medication cups and found them empty, though records showed they'd been filled. She started watching the kitchen staff closely and discovered the horrifying truth. Night shift workers were stealing heart pills, diabetes medication, and anxiety drugs from the trays. They sold them to dealers outside while elderly patients suffered dangerous withdrawal. Maria secretly filmed the theft for 2 weeks, knowing she could lose her job. She called Adult Protective Services with the evidence. Police arrested 4 staff members during a sting operation. Her courage saved lives and changed medication security nationwide.